This film shines a spotlight on current and emerging issues in third world countries. A new awareness of what amounts to injustices on a global scale. Modern Day Slaves depicts the lives of overseas foreign workers who must struggle to survive. Having been trapped within the workings of corrupt political systems.
Those in control of these institutions commingled all the funds that they had.
Maltreatment, contract substitution, and prison terms are everyday occurrences in the lives of overseas foreign workers.
My brother was being tortured every Friday, and he never did anything wrong. They would do this so that he wouldn't walk. They would do something to his ears so that he couldn't hear.
From the point of view of government, it's a story of neglect.
The World Bank estimates that in 2008, migrant workers sent home over $283 billion to their home countries. The story of OFWs is one of extreme sacrifice.
These workers have been branded or proclaimed by government as our unsung heroes or heroines. We would say they have become modern-day slaves.
This timely film hopefully will summon a wake-up call among American citizens and leaders of the free world.
To fight oppression.
Prompting them to take actions necessary for the protection of our enduring prosperity.
Kailangan natin ang pagbabago kung kailangan sumigaw ng revolusyon ang mga uring pinagsasamantalahan.